Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now we're still in lockdown and everybody is still working from home and relying on the internet to communicate with family and friends. Now Canon have just released the EOS Webcam Utility Beta, which turns your DSLR into a webcam. Now this is significantly better than the webcams that you get that come with your laptops or that you plug in, because you can actually use the full capabilities of your DSLR. So if they can shoot in 4K or 1080p HD, your webcam will be in that quality, which is brilliant, especially for online conferencing. So I'm going to show you how we can do that. First thing we need to do is head on over to the laptop. So now on the laptop, what you need to do is head on over to this website here. Link is in the description below. Scroll down and it gives you a list of all the cameras that are currently supported. If your Canon camera isn't supported there at the moment, don't worry, this is only beta and they will be adding more cameras soon. So my camera is the EOS 5D Mark IV. So we click on that and it brings us to this page, and at the top we have the EOS Webcam Utility Beta version 0.9 for Windows. This is Windows only, it's not for Mac at the moment. Press select next to that and hit download. It's just under 1.5 meg, so it is very small. Once you've downloaded it, open up the zip file and inside you will find this one file. Double click on it and it'll bring this up. Mine is asking me to repair because I've already installed, but just carry on through the installation, and once it's done, restart your computer. Now another thing you might need to do, if you're going to be using Skype, you may need to download the latest version of Skype. To do that, go to this website here, skype.com/en/get Skype. Link for that is also in the description, and click on get for Windows, and down here another file will download and Skype downloads. Follow the installation for Skype and get it up and running. Once Skype is running, it will ask you to sign in to your account or create one, and you will be brought to this screen here. Now to set your camera up, what you now need to do is plug it in. So get your USB cable that came with your camera, pop the side open, make sure it's round the right way, plug the camera in, and then plug the other end into your laptop and switch on the camera. Once it's turned on, we can now go back over to Skype, hit the three dots at the top here and click on settings. Now when I go down to audio and video, now this is the only webcam that I've got set up on my laptop because I've disabled the internal one, and EOS Webcam Utility Beta is picked up and it is using my 5D Mark IV as the webcam. So as you can see, if I flip it around, you can see my 750D that I'm recording this on is right here, and I'm using the 5D Mark IV as a webcam, and it's easy as that. You can now carry on and make your phone calls and conferencing. If however you want to stream online using your Canon camera and you want to use something such as OBS, I will show you how we do that. Create a new scene or edit the one that you've got, and in sources click the plus and select a video capture device. I'm just going to rename this as Canon Webcam and press OK. Automatically picks up the EOS because, like I said, I've disabled the internal camera, and it comes up. Make any changes you want to make, full colour range, etc, etc. Click OK and your Canon window is up in OBS, and you can resize this. If you want to make it full screen, if you're capturing like a DJ set or anything like I do sometimes, you might not have this full screen. And there we have it. that is how you turn your Canon EOS DSLR into a fully fledged webcam using Canon's new EOS webcam utility beta. Stick around and come back to the channel for more videos such as this. I will be doing more tutorials. Hopefully going to start doing some photography tutorials very soon. But until the next time, take care. See ya.